This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to begin. First, plug the laptop into power and free at least 10% disk space so recordings don't fail. Next, make sure mic and camera permissions are allowed in Windows settings. Test levels so audio won't clip or be too quiet. Once done, choose your recorder. Press Win+G for Game Bar for quick capture, or download OBS Studio for advanced control. Make sure your graphics and audio drivers are current, so performance is stable during capture. Now configure recording details so your video looks and sounds right. In OBS, set the base and output resolution to match your display and pick 3060 FPS depending on CPU/GPU headroom. Higher FPS increases file size. Add sources. Use display capture for full screen or window capture to target an app, and add audio input and output captures to record mic and system sound. Choose hardware encoder, NVENC or QuickSync. Start the recording and perform a quick 10 to 20 second test clip to verify audio sync and visuals. Then stop and review the saved file. Make sure the save path is on a drive with space, and choose a stable format like MKV or MP4. Convert MKV later if needed. When done, trim and export with any editor before sharing. If you hit a black screen, make sure the recorder runs with the same GPU privileges as the target app. Try window capture, or run OBS/GameBar as administrator to resolve permission conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.